To everyone. On behalf of the local government unit of Bayang, it is my great honor to welcome you all to this special gathering, a moment of partnership and shared commitment between our education leaders and our beloved municipality. Today, we are privileged to witness the courtesy call of our newly reassigned Schools Division Superintendent. This moment is more than a simple visit. It is a symbol of partnership and unity between the Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education and our local government unit in ensuring quality education for the children and youth of Bayang. Before we proceed, allow me to acknowledge the presence of the distinguished personalities who are with us this day. First and foremost, the Honorable Municipal Mayor, Mohandis Al-Ashir Anti Mamainti Balt, represented by his parents, former Mayor, Engineer Aslani P. Balt, and Auditor Sandra Alonto Mamainti Balt, whose leadership continues to embody the slogan, United Moriato T1 for a better Bayang. To our distinguished guest, the newly reassigned Schools Division Superintendent of the Division of Lanao del Sur II, Dr. Ana Zinaida Onti Alonto, honoris causa. Accompanying her are some of the hard-working education program supervisors of the division, district supervisors, secondary and elementary school heads who also share in the commitment to excellence in education. To our municipal officials, department heads who tirelessly serve our community, the dedicated LGU staff who ensure that our municipal programs and services run smoothly, other esteemed guests and stakeholders who are present with us today, truly, your presence is a testament to our shared vision of progress and development for Bayang. We warmly welcome all of you. To formally open our program, may we call on our municipal engineer, Laot C. Balt, for the opening prayer.
وقال ربكم ادعوني استجب لكم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين. اللهم اغفر لنا ذنوبنا ولإخواننا الذين سبقونا بالإيمان ولا تجعل في قلوبنا غلا للذين آمنوا إنك رؤوف رحيم. Ya Allah ya Rahman ya Rahim punya mereka ya Allah yang gaya malilimut paguluan na gaya doksamia leona mayo ogiong tamayo rami ogiong gaya bubayami kakami superintendent bawa miasa sa gaya hingga mi Allah na ituwa mi Allah makapagayon na yun naging gaya langon mga padayan si saging gaya dipig ya Allah. Kunin na mereka ya Allah ya kalimuman ka kami nasulimu ka suturuan ka rizki ya Allah, nagsumapya ilham para sa mga watam ya Allah. Rabbana taqabbal minna innaka antas samiul alim wa tub alaina innaka antat tawwabur rahim. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adzaban nar. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Salamun alal mursalin.
This gathering is more than just a formal call. It is a symbol of strong collaboration between the Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education and the local government unit of Bayang. We warmly welcome our newly reassigned Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Ana Zinaida Unti Alonto, honoris causa, a leader whose guiding principle is Todo na To, a slogan that reflects her energy, dedication, and wholehearted service for the cause of education. In today's courtesy call, we look forward to building stronger ties, aligning our goals, and uniting our efforts in bringing quality education to every learner of Bayan. Together, under the leadership of our municipal government and the division office, we can make education a foundation for a brighter and more progressive community. And now, to officially open and welcome us all, I give you our former municipal mayor, Engineer Aslani Pangarungan Balt.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Paguli ko lagi ang kanana ini sa kutakapan ng salam na malag na pakabarakatan ng katano Allah Ta'ala. Pag-ineron nagyed ni kapakaing umaamirkan na ayamana nagyang kay apagarin nyo, babay nyo, wata iyo, agu panugang anak na iyo. Huwag ayam na siran ito nagmakadua kung panugang anak na bubay siya si Sarah. Si wala nga di, agu si walokto. Ma'am, you are most welcome here in the place. Di ka tumumala sa gingit ka ba yan? Kasumayo, iman to, na malang na apo ka. Okay. It's so happy na makaumay man to kagaya ng mga pingintian. Na may katogra nga kitingin na papas kahit ni atinsa ka meron ka na kiyakulong yakay. So, kataya mong buhay yung nga durudo pa kataya yung nga si First Lady na pinakataon niwak na mapirme ito ka taling mo nakatayun baka nyo rin unas kanyan, niya malagi itibigan ako. Ako kataw niyo, nakanalay mo niyo, di pa uto siya istis. Natigit-tigil lang katigil ako, utugan sa ka, para niyo po kapanalamat ta. Wah, naging pulmabuhi ang kapanalamat ya karkalwa, lawan na sa mga pubayakan. Wah, malago, kaya patapunta-pantag yung tanong ko, kaya nilipatan. So, kaya pangalat ka pa kausulatan sa giyang kay ay itino, abayang kung kita doon ikagil bugaso at pakalawsua o ay malagong mga watatan. Sa papro, nayain niya sa kanang si, nagya po mayroon ko ay natinatunin si mayroon, yan doon siya mayroon nakatekwa pa, ibubulugin, yan ito ba ay, baka mapakapang ito ako ay, so ay malang na niya kapiyape, maloko emosyonal, kaya, ako pagkabay ako, Winag katanungan nyo kung may ang nagtanong na pakatutuna o mga bitintano kararakakas ko pag patay na yung malang na baka nung na yung malang katangpe po makatay di gano. O ay nakatayap man, ayaw malang kanya kaya bubay ang kaya panulangan na katayap mo po yung malang na katanong pagkamasaan. Iba pa rin yung ma-mention, yung ma-welcome yung kay mga ipinayang yung kay si Ana Saida Unti, yung kay Manto, Division of Heritage Tintano. Ungutan, meron na yung kay pakiwatan na ang nagwabubabay yung kay si Mel, Assistant Superintendent. You're welcome. At tayo palagi kaya Division Chief EPS si Carolina Tanong. Okay. Ma'am, Waiza Arzan, bangsa na sa Tugaya. Niyalo niya kay Soper, isa kami sa Tugaya. Anong course? O tawag yung tayo sa pakiwatang ko. O si Patsy, hindi maparumangan di mapunya kaya terudupakan. Dia kaya karumangan. Sekali matindi ko, kapalya kami retire. May kamon mo sa kuha. Yan early retire. Apply kami naman to. Kasama na napenda kami pagkita na nagnap ka paro kami. O ay, bueno, mga video pa gistahan na anytime na pa ako makagilid. Ayaw pa problema lang nakapapatay. O ayaw man lang na sukat mo. Kailangan ito. Okay. Tama pro, nakasigubo, sanggi po salamat sa dinyo kapangandaraynon. Kaya mahal lang na ma'am, kita ka ba sa ko? Kaya mahal lang na hindi ka pakabulusan ka sa kapipya ginawa. Lagi ang kaya bayang na ibigay ni. Sanggi po salamat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. That was our former Municipal Mayor, Engineer Aslani Pangarungan Pout. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, to share her message and formally extend her courtesy to the leadership of our municipality, let us now give our warmest welcome to our newly reassigned Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Ana Zinaida A. Onti Alonto, Honoris Causa.
Kindly take your seats. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Pagamunggo sa kapipya ginawa kaya Daddy Mayor Tano, the former municipal mayor, Engineer Aslani, and of course to my beautiful third cousin, First Lady Pipay, and the rest of my colleagues here. Sitting in front, lahat pa ng kasama ko from the division office, lahat po ng ating mga kaguruan dito sa munisipyo ng Bayang, yung ating mga district supervisors, other municipal officials in attendance, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay nagagala kasi this is the 10th municipality na napisita namin. Early this morning, nandoon po kami sa Pico. And after Pico, we went all the way here in Bayang. Actually po, it's my second time here in Bayang, and Bayang is enchanting. When I said, nung nag-assume po ako that Lanao del Sur 2 is amazing and enchanting. Ang ganda po. Ito lang yata ang municipal office na napuntahan ko na may view ng Lake Lanao. Very beautiful. Aya ini sungamir ka na say na, of course, to express our intention of alleviating education, especially here in the municipality of Bayang. Pinaka-importante po, aditan rin magpada na sa local government unit. That is why, First Mayor, I'd like to inform you that I'd like to share to you the trajectory of my 100 days. First po is that we will be doing minor repairs in the division office, and I'd like to tell you that our First Lady donated already a hefty amount, wherein meron na po tayong cubicles doon na nabili sa binigay ng ating First Lady.
Wala po yun yung First Lady.
Binigay ko yung kaagad. Pangalawa, Mayor, is that we would like to ask you, sana po you can host an educational summit here in the municipio ng Bayang. We would like to invite all the barangays, lahat po ng mga kaguruan, lahat po ng mga PTCA parents, kasi yan lang po ang pagkakataon na malipon tayo lahat, because all of our teachers in the province of Division of Lanao del Sur 2 is almost 4,000 po. So mahirapan tayo to put them together, except for municipal educational summit na doon po tayo matitipon, so that pwede po natin pag-usapan kung ano yung dapat natin address na konting problema or issues or other affecting factors that would help alleviate the status of education, especially here in the municipality of Bayang. So yan po, Mayor, ikaw na lang po ang aming aantayin kung kailan po kayo mag-host, kasi kami po ay darating, and maganda po yan na magkita tayo, mag-usap-usap tayo. Pangatlo po, Mayor, is that I'd like to introduce to you some policies that we have in Marawi, and I know the cousin of the First Lady is here, and she's from Marawi, and she knows this one, that every Ramadan po, the last 10 days of Ramadan, in Marawi City, we do not observe classes. Kasi dinidevote po natin yan, yung Laylatul Qadr, sa religious activities natin. It's very important because we're not just as public servants, but we also need to be pious. Diba? Ang importante po na di tanong di mga pagamal ko, last 10 days of Ramadan. And that is an approved city resolution. Ang binabayad po namin doon ay mga araw na kinukuha or tinatanggal sa mga national holidays. Pwede po nating to compensate the days that will not be observing classes for the last 10 days of Ramadan because we have to observe also the DepEd order which states that kailangan po may gawin natin yung pasok not more than 220 days and not less than 200 days for the year. And this year, I think we have 197 days if I'm not quite sure about that. No? I think 197 days. So, Mayor, sana po pagtuunan ninyo ng pansin nyo. Kasi maganda po yun. Di po ba? 10 days, last 10 days, wala tayong pasok, pero babayaran natin siya doon sa mga national holidays. And the fourth one, Mayor, well, I hope that some will agree kasi medyo a little, how do you say that in Tagalog, layman? Medyo matugo po nung isinulong namin yun. But I can see they're wearing malong now. I think there's no problem about it, no? And I think we can also maybe not gradually impose kasi meron talagang hindi nagmamalo. Yun ang na-observe ko. But, Mayor, there's also an approved resolution in the city that every Wednesday we wear malong. Because alam niyo po, yung pagsusuot ng malong at sa pagdidibutan ng mga Maranao, it's a vanishing culture. Nawawala na po siya. I don't think that wearing malong will hamper our daily activities kasi ako po namulatan ko ng mami ko, which is the second cousin of Auntie Alice po, Aso Ganola, na lahat po yan sila nagmamalong. Yung mga former in-laws ko, nagmamalong din po sila. So I grew up wearing malong. And I feel comfortable about it. No? So it's an approved city resolution too. So if the good municipality of Bayang would like to reflect on it, it's strengthening our vanishing culture. So maganda din po yun that at least once a week, tayo po ay nagmamalong para nakikita ng ating mga anak, nakikita ng mga ibang kalahi na tayo po ay proud na ganap. And the last one, Mayor, that I would like to share to you is I hope that you will be joining, you and Pipay, First Lady, will be joining us in February because that will be the annual Washington CISIP Educational Summit, which dictates the different municipalities, recognizing them as the seal of good education governance. Meron po kami mga inassign na mga division officials as adopted supervisor for municipality, and they will help you, they will help us for your municipality to be recognized. Ang ibang mga munisipyo po na recognize ng SGEG is Taraka, yung kay Neshiba, yung kay Benji Bagan, sino pa nga dito sa Kabatagan, that's the seal of good education governance. And nandiyan po lahat ng mga national officials. It's headed by Senator Will Gatchalian. And it's manned by former USEC Milweda Guevara. So all mayors, congressmen, and governors are actually invited because there is a DILG circular on that. Opo, may memo talaga yan that you're allowed to attend. So may mga factors po yan like literacy and all. And may template po yan. Once po na umabot kayo doon, masustain natin yon, then the municipality will be recognized as a seal, recipient of the seal of good education governance. Ang alam ko po, you will be receiving 1 million pesos aside from the help from Smart, Sea Oil, kasi that's a big company, kasali din yung kay MVP. So, yan po, Mayor, ang isang sinunta ko sa iyo, and I'd like to seek your support and that of Mayor Andy, that magtulungan po sana tayo para mapayos natin ang education dito sa bayan. Malaki po ang expectation ng mga tao sa atin. Kasi this is the first time na na-reshuffle lahat ng mga superintendents. First time ever in the history of the Ministry of Basic Higher and Technical Education. Nung time po ni Ma'am Zanaida, wala po yung reshuffling. Time ni Ma'am Mona, time nila wala po. That's why nung malaman namin na we were reshuffled and reassigned, it took us 2 weeks weeping. Talagang we were crying. Umiiyak po talaga kami, ako, lalo na ako. Pero when I learned to come here, I learned to love the place and I think I can do more. Marami po akong pwedeng gawin na tulungan kayo lahat. Kaya lang, nakikita ko sa mga ibang schools po talagang niyakadagdala kailangan ng tulong. Your MOE are so small compared to Marawi City Division, and that I think the regional office is doing injustice to all of us. Lalo na po yung mga schools na walang school building, dilapidated, puro sila mga makeshift classroom, may magre-retire na lang, walang kasamang teacher kasi isa lang siya. And that couldn't be a school. So, paninta ko Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, ino ko sino niya tago, kabulid na purpose ra kan order sa calling, and I will try my very best to alleviate and change the face of education here in Lanao del Sur. Hindi po ako nandito para magsara ng paaralan, hindi po ako nandito para i-check kung ano yung mga status ng mga employees or what, but at least we have to think that we are public servants. Minsan lang po tayo binibigyan ng pagkakataon upang magsilbi. When we serve, it's not only that the superintendent is there, your district supervisor is there, your principal is there. Ang pinaka-importante po, na pagilayin tano Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nabot tano dito tas ko galubog tano, amati maga na pagawan tano sa galubog tano, udi na nasugalubog tano, ipagawarang tano, na what's important at the end, they would say, she is a very good principal. Wala pong mali sa paaralan niya. Wala po siyang ganito. Goes. Wala po, hindi po yan mahilig mangoleksyon. Masakit po pag nakatalikod kayo kung ano-anong pinagsasabi sa inyo. So, again, I seek your support, Mayor, First Lady, so that we can make Bayan as one of the new faces of Lanao del Sur 2. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mabuhay Lanao del Sur 2, mabuhay ang bayan, itodo na ito.
Thank you very much, Ma'am, for your inspiring words and vision for education. And now, to respond, our newly reassigned Schools Division Superintendent, may we now hear the message of our beloved Municipal Mayor, Honorable Mohandis Al-Ashir Andi Mamaintibag, representing by his beloved mother, Auditor Sandra Alonto Mamaintibag.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to apologize for the absence of my son, Mayor Andy Mamaintibag. At na mga prior commitment yan. So he talked to me at ilamamas abudin tumit ka mo pagaling abutin si Andy Chiki. Ito kay Chiki actually na mga ito kami pa na itinawag tumit kami. So, dito ipapana. Imagaw irap ma-inform at inaskay pag-response ka kuwag ka na uway ka nito lang mabutoy ang dito lang ni Mayor, si former Mayor na dito lang si Senior Mayor Ricardo, si Aslani si Senior Mayor actually dito lang nun at iya kumalutan na sige, apin yung ready basta on na. So, I guess sa akin na actually nakalalaban na auditor ako sa Region 10. I've been an auditor. I had been an auditor for 26 years. Kaya ako sa Region 10, burang-burang sector na. Since kami sa COA, every 3 years na reshuffle kami. So, niya-assign ako sa local, niya-assign ako sa national, niya-assign ako sa corporate. But most of the time, I was a corporate auditor. So, very strict kami when it comes to corporation. So the last time before I retired, na siya kumabinasay sa IIT, I was the audit team leader of IIT. So lima-timan issue mihandala ka. I was the audit team leader, ayan, staffakan na. So galing sa COA na pat kami, pero so staffakan na I think with mga sapulok. So dito more or less add na experience sa education. So ayaw hindi kaya kasi ang part na response. Supposedly it's my son. But anyway, to be aware niya po sa from the time that my husband became the mayor in 2016, nasukatay ko na very supportive kami sa education. So sa akin yun na basta, I've been telling him that when it comes to education sector, you have to be very supportive. Why? Because sa akin auditor ako, part of that fund sa ginanakira na special education fund. So you really have to support the education. Pinipitirakan, understand niya na very supportive mo sa ginanakira education, pinipitirakan nun. Ang umala kong iman to, apaman na ayam na bago superintendent undo di kami kailangan ko maturog ko, I have to very supportive ako sa aming na superintendent kasi Rubina. In fact, ginaway kami. So pang mo supportive ako ron, na ayaw ko yung matwag yung kaya bago superintendent iyo. At tumida kami na close kami. Aside pang salita, so former in-laws yan, so kami aron to, na andun alangadi is kanyan. Ino siya ako yung superintendent na may kami, yatero ako hindi ka na usong kasabayan, na di ka pa kayo po diyang skaro, mabalak, di ka magpaka. Ay, Mayor San, napakibatan ka. So, I want you to feel at home when it comes to kaya.
Thank you.
So, dito ang pagkabit ko yan na mga pang-iisong yan saya, man na first pagkita summit meeting, na inshallah, support kami. Ay, Pupulog ka ba kayo, as kami di mauna. So lawon nagyong magkapitero ka ang mga problema ka na so kabasa ka di ka pa kay turunan ki Andy di ka pa kay ubading ka masuporta. So biyan kaya malabo superintendent abubuka. So malabo yan kaya man objective yan na pana pa kay na ma-improve pa pa ma-perfect na ma-perfect ano to nag-education. So, rest assured that we have all the support. You can have all the support from us. So, gitman po, before closing na gitman po, nakabasan niya, seal of special education governance. So, gitman ka asabayan ang mga teachers, supervisor, principals na take it as a challenge. Mapia as a tanong na makapag-anusan. Agin na sin dapat na maging recipient tanong. So gid katawag ako at take it as a challenge. So saan kaya LGU apaman na uad na atunay participation iranon, atunay party iranon na just tell my son, because I will impose on him. Kailangan na makarisip kami saan. So, hindi ka tuwag na captive, di ka nupo, na pamana, suwanta nung dapat, suwanta nung, para, at ano nung makarisip. Mapya na next year, nagita tingayab, tumidagat na February na, makarisip na nung din. So, I think, gito po, mana, panalaman na, pagpunta na matanan na yun, kaya tinidakan pamanami ako masaya. Alhamdulillah, actually, 19 dapat ito. Na-Peter lang sa gate ko at supervisor, di ko pa kayo ubos siya makasusabihin si superintendent, di ako makakuan. So, 19 dapat, huwag ko pa kayo na mapuspong. Siya ko I was not around. So, postpone na niyo ka para makatinaw, dito nito ba yan? So dito, thank you my dear cousin. So dito po, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Mom, for your unwavering commitment and support to our educational programs and initiatives. On behalf of the local government unit of Bayang, it is with great honor and joy that we present this humble token of appreciation Token of appreciation to our newly assigned
One, two. Smile.
This token is more than just a simple gesture. It is a heartfelt symbol of our warm welcome, our respect, and our acceptance of you as a partner in nurturing and uplifting the education sector in our municipality. May this remind you that in the municipality of Bayan, you are not only respected as a leader, but also embraced as a member of our community. With this, we look forward to working hand in hand with you in pursuit of quality education and a brighter future for our learners. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, a short message to be given. Yes, to introduce the team of our schools division superintendent, we have here our SESE in the division, Ma'am Waisa S. Arsat.
Sabi nila, se. But then, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. With distinct pride and honor, I would like to present to you dear former mayor, the very handsome, no? Dashing? Still dashing? Mashallah. Thankful ako dahil nung magpunta ko sa opisina ni Sec Saidi, na-accommodate yung auntie ko. Kasi naman ako, yes. She was accommodated as an employee of the NCMF that time. So I would like to present to you the entourage of our good superintendent, the Council Superintendent of the Division of Lanao do Sur 2, the ever-dedicated SDS, Dr. Ana Zinaida Alonto, Honoris Causa. First, I would like to introduce to you that the ADAP Supervisor of the Municipality of Bayan is your son. Pamangkin ninyo si Muhammad Noor Basut, the son of our retired Assistant Superintendent Designate for Secondary, yes, and the consultant to the office of Ma'am Rubina. Also with us is Ma'am Analia, the ADAP Supervisor for PICOM. Ma'am, please stand for recognition. Ma'am Gigi, Ma'am Sagira Makaako, napakalayo ng pangalan niya. Gigi ito Sagira Makaako, no? Ma'am Gigi, ADAP Supervisor for Kualas. The sister-in-law of our good superintendent, Ana Farina. Jampuan, multi-grade supervisor, ADAP Supervisor for the municipality of Calanugas. Ma'am Tangeria, please stand for recognition. ADAP Supervisor for Lumbayanagi. She is also our Brigada Eskwela Supervisor and Aralin Padipunan. Ano siya? Kasama dati ni Ma'am, no? So, alhamdulillah, of course, itong mga kasama ko dito sa stage na introduce na. So, our forever beautiful Ate Emil, our ASTS, kapatid ko ito, si Ma'am Nor Fatima Alonto, si Dr. Caroline Tanog, our CIT chief. So, yun lang ata. May hindi pa ako na-acknowledge? Okay, so yun lang po. And we hope that our education here in Bayan will soar high, no? Mangyayari lamang po yan kung kayo ay magtutulungan. Kung kayo sa ground level, you are the first line of defense in so far as education is concerned. Magtrabaho po tayo, magturo po tayo, araw-araw po tayo nasa eskwelahan para turuan po ang ating mga bata. At wala pong magiging rason na hindi po tayo makakakuha ng seal of good education governance. Ang ating pong pictorial kanina, if there's a seal of good education governance, that is a seal of unity in so far as governing education. Division in the Division of Lanao del Sur. So once again, this is your Ma'am Waisa, your supervisor for English, and at the same time, SGOD chief daw ni Ma'am Chiki. Okay, so announcement also, our event for the campus journalism will be held on October 16, 17, and 18, and all schools are required to send participants, no exemption. With no exemption, dapat lahat ng schools ay makaparticipate. Lahat po kayo dapat may mga school paper, no? So that would be all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Together we will rise, inshallah.
I think there's the need also of introduction of education sector in municipality of Bayan. I think it has to be done by supervisor, Lulu. Appears to sa kanila supervisors, mga principals. Introduce na. Para makilala niya.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May I request to school heads from D1 district kindly stand up. Okay. First is Nicolaini, that is Nicolaini Tatudakula from Global Primary School. From the other side is Annalisa Bald from Kadayunan Primary School. Then from Patong Elementary School is Rasmia Makatampo. Then my sister from Safa Primary School, no other, Nerwin Abdul Kader Said. Then the one wearing black with the hijab is the young Sirad from Dimanda Primary School. Then the other one is from Lokman Elementary School, no other than Siti Hadima Marcon Said. And the last one is from Tuka Primary School, no other than Hafida Murtaba. Those are the D1 district.
Okay. Good afternoon and assalamualaikum, ma'am. I'm Asnera Bal, the public school division district supervisor of Upper Bayan District. 8 miles, ma'am. So these are the school principals of Upper Bayan District. Vice Sarah Kaser from Bandingan Elementary School. Sanguayan Musur from Popo Primary School. Yes, ma'am. Samupay Malaway from Biabi Primary School. Umbay Ramusur, Ilian Primary School. From Raya Popo Elementary School, Nuralida Pangandaman. Palaw Elementary School, Azamia Datoharon, Tangkuban. Norhay na sa Solo from Popong Elementary School. Sarifa Dimakota from Leynaw Elementary School. Subayna Haji Idris from Tagurano Primary School. Noraya Ampatwa from Sogod Primary School. Arifa Salma Amor from Yalan Elementary Primary School. Those are the school heads and principal of Upper Bayan District. Actually, ma'am, we are 40 sila lahat. So, yung central si Johanna Anding nasa Dumalundong ngayon kasi yung GSB. Yes, ma'am. So, yun lang, ma'am. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
For the Lower Bayan District.
Bayang District.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Sandralin Haji Umar, currently designated as district in charge of Lower Bayan District, and presently holding a position of school principal 1. These are the school heads from Lower Bayan District. So as I call your name, kindly stand for recognition. Okay, starting with Panamukan Garangan, school head of Tumarupong Primary School. And the second one is Dr. Ferus Abal, the school principal of Balintong Adil Primary School. Another beautiful school head is Juhara Pantao of Gandamato Primary School, teacher in charge. We have here also the Gandaman Central Elementary Pilot School Principal, Ma'am Fatima Nadia Balt. Another principal, Ma'am Vaisura Lukman Ampatua, the principal of Paraon Primary School. We have here also Ma'am Norfaida Suod, the teacher in charge of Linab Primary School. And Sumbat Primary School Principal, Ma'am Khadija Garangan Saripada. Your mother? Yes, my mother. And we also have here Ma'am Yasmin Benito, principal of Sampurna Primary School. Elementary School, Sampurna Elementary School. And oh, yes, of course, we also have here the Assistant District Supervisor, Ma'am Amira Sarip. And of course, the Principal of Rantian Elementary School, Ma'am Raida Di Capong Haji Latif. Nasa loob po siya, Ma'am. And also we have the Principal of Dato Muhammad Ali Kahar Memorial National High School, Ma'am Juhaira Ali. Siya lang po yung nandito na national from high school, no? Meron pa? Si Bayang. Bayang National High School. Of course. From Bayang National High School, Principal, Ma'am Normalia Bal. Okay, so I would like also to recognize the presence of the other teachers from Lower Bayan District. We have here Ma'am Amina Dato Damula, Ma'am Siti Aisa, and Ma'am Norwina Minandang, and Ma'am Laininda Papandayan. So, nandito rin po sila. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you for coming, sabi ni Ma'am. As we close this short but meaningful program, may this courtesy call serves as the beginning of a stronger partnerships and continued collaboration between the Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education and the local government unit of Bayan. Because only through unity can we truly realize the dream of united Moriato Diwan for a better Bayan. Together, we can build a brighter and more promising future for our learners. Once again, thank you and welcome for joining us today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.